Hello everyone. So today we are going to have a walkthrough of the UMP portal for the role of HCO. So the first step is to enter and log in into the UMP portal. So we are going to enter the registered mobile number, click on verify. Now we are going to enter the captcha first before the OTP comes in. So after we are done with the captcha, we are going to enter the OTP. Click on login. Now we can see this dashboard. So we are going to click on my roles, click on add role. Now here we are going to entity, we are selecting SHA Haryana, entity type as hospital, entity name as hospital onboarding entity, user role as admin, application HCM, click on add. And then we are going to click on submit. After that, we are going to understand about the hospital admin, how to create a role in UMP. So click on SHA Haryana, entity type as hospital, entity name, user role as admin, select HCM. For application, and in the admin code, we are going to enter the admin code provided by the SHA. So we are going to enter it here and click on add, and then we are going to submit. Once we create login the role for admin, now we are going to create a role for the Medco. So parent entity needs to be selected as SHA Haryana, entity type as hospital, entity name as the name of the hospital. Now the role here will be Medco. The application will be TMS. Here the admin code will be provided by the hospital admin. So earlier it was provided by SHA admin to the hospital admin. Medco will get the code from the hospital admin. So we're going to submit, and then we will be creating the role. Hello everyone. So we are going to have a walkthrough of the HCM portal for the role of HCO. The first step is to sign in. Then click on the PM Rahat Lite. Here we can see that we are going to select whether we have HFR or not. Here we are selecting yes. If you don't have an HFR, you can click on the link and create one. Select the scheme from the drop down. Enter the HFR ID here. So we are going to write the HFR ID. So HFR is essential to move forward. So once we are done with entering the HFR ID, the verification is also required. So we need to click on verify. Now it will be verified through OTP. So we are going to enter the OTP here. Click on confirm. Now we are going to enter the establishment details. We are going to select the facility type, facility specialty type, facility ownership subtype, here we are selecting private not-for-profit, date of establishment, facility registration certificate, facility registration number, registration certificate expiry date, then government benefits / concession. We are going to select from the drop down. Then the next is, does this facility has PG or DNB? Here we are selecting no on the radio button. Move on to the address. Here we can see that there are certain fields which are graded. So they are auto-filled from the HFR ID. Now there are certain fields that needs to be updated. For example, village, city, town, landmark, mobile number, email ID, etc. So we're going to start with the village. We're going to enter the village name here. All the fields which are marked with asterisks, they are mandatory in nature, so that needs to be filled. So village name we are typing here. Then the city or town name we are selecting. Then moving on to the mobile number. Email ID. Then the local police station. Locality, whether it is rural or urban. Moving on to the bank details. Here we are going to write the bank holder's name, bank account number. So account holder's name is mentioned as Orbix, bank account number. Then we are going to confirm the bank account number, IFSC code, so after we are done with the IFSC code, we are going to move on to the bank name. Everything will be auto-populated as per the IFSC code. Then the account type will be selected, currents or savings. Authorized signatory name needs to be mentioned. And after that, the bank email ID. Bank NEFT or RTGS enabled or not, we are going to select yes. BSR code. We're going to enter the BSR code here. Then we need to upload the cancel check. So we're going to select the cancel check from here. Then after that, click on submit, and that's how you are done with the HEM submission. Thank you so much for watching.